Plug the heaters and I'll turn on the fan. Yeah, I'm gonna start to turn on the fan when I come back. Yeah, you're a good boy. I'll do your box in about 2 seconds. Meow. Yeah, you're a good boy.
Because he was so funny when we first moved in there. He said, and I quote, "I do not want a bunch of junk cars here." And then he went and started working for the school system. And there's all kinds of vans there, and then with their stuff, and then ours. So I'll get rid of it. I love that carpet.
Oh, it's had a good life.
Yeah, it's just, if it'd been in a garage, it probably would have lasted.
Gotta get their sheets on. Supposedly got a contract to clean weeds out of Christmas trees, and he was supposed to pay me, which he didn't. He paid me very little. But the one day I ended up going to the lake with him, and we got out on the lake in his speedboat, and he was going so fast, you were touching the sides, and I said, never again.
I love going fast in boats.
Nope. Well, now it's all perks. So if you go up to the register, you're buying stuff there, you go up to the register, they'll tell you if you get like $1 or whatever off.
Yeah.
I've been snagging that $1 for groceries.
Oh.
And just said screw gas.
Oh, okay. So next time I ask, I'll just go for groceries. All right.
You don't need Giant Eagle?
No, I actually was wasted everything.
Oh, you checked it out.